it is a challenge to Mr. Kejriwal. I am willing to discuss and debate with him on any of these issues which he has claimed to have done in Delhi. My appeal to the electorate in Goa is not to be hoodwinked by Kejriwal's antics. And my request again to people of Goa is just do one thing. Call any 10 people of Delhi or speak to any 10 friends of yours in Delhi, and if any of these 3 out of 10 friends are satisfied with Aam Aadmi Party, just go and vote for Kejriwal. So my open challenge is that if 3 out of 10 people from Delhi, they are satisfied with Kejriwal, just go and vote for Mr. Kejriwal. And it is just 19 months down the line that Mr. Kejriwal got around 57% votes in Delhi and 67 out of 70 seats. So in such a short span of time, if I can claim with authority that not even 3 out of 10 people in Delhi would vouch for Mr. Kejriwal or would approve of Mr. Kejriwal's governance in Delhi, so you can understand the plight of people of Delhi, the suffering which they are undergoing now. Arvind Kejriwal always used to say that the Lokpal should be out of the clutches of the government. He used to say that the investigation should always be out of the gambit of the government. And in his Lokpal, which he has passed in the assembly, the investigation officer, any investigation officer, if the Lokpal wants, he has to seek prior approval of the Chief Minister and the government. So without the approval of the government, the Lokpal can't get even an investigation officer. So what is the independence he is talking about? Remove Lokpal doesn't vest with anyone else. It vests with only the ruling party MLAs. If the ruling party MLAs don't want, then no Lokpal can be impeached. So he has provided for appointment of Lokpal to be done overtly by political people. The investigation officer has to be, if it has to be brought in, it has to be brought in with the permission of the government, the Chief Minister. And then if Lokpal has to be impeached also, unless 2/3 of the total MLAs, which means that the ruling party, unless it agrees for, no Lokpal can be impeached. So appointment, removal, provision of investigation officer, all 3 he has kept with himself. So how is it an independent Lokpal? What he was talking about?
कामां करपाक अपेक्षीत थारिल्ल्यान केजरीवाल फक्त आरोपांचें राजकारण करता म्हूण काँग्रेसीचो म्हणयारो सांगता.
From 1998 to 2003, we have won 6 elections in total, 3 assembly elections, 1 municipal corporation elections and 2 parliament elections. So out of these 6 elections, you will be surprised we won 4 elections during this period of 1998 to 2004. When the BJP was in power in the center and Sheila Dikshit was the Chief Minister in the state, there were number of occasions where officers were posted without our knowledge even, where the transport secretary was posted, neither me, neither Sheila Dikshit knew about it, and they were posted by LK Advani, the Home Minister, the Deputy Prime Minister and the Lieutenant Governor, and we never knew about it. But I don't think any public in Delhi, any citizen in Delhi knows about this even. What used to happen, we used to fight also, but it was within the 4 walls of the secretariat. We never used to make it a public spectacle because our main aim was to perform and deliver. Our main aim was not to further our own political ambitions, what Mr. Kejriwal has. So we could have also created a public spectacle. We could have also tried, instead of doing something, to find excuses for not doing, which we never did. And as I told you, out of 6 elections which we won under in that Congress regime, 4 elections were when BJP was in the center and we were in the state. We could perform with the same set of rules. Why can't they?
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश गाडी आनी व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट शिरीष कुंकळेकार.